The distress call follows a very specific structure which is organised to ensure that the message is clear and contains all the necessary information. The distress procedure consists of the following elements. The distress call is the distress signal, MAYDAY times 3, the vessel name times 3, and MMSI number once. Then the message begins with MAYDAY, the vessel name and MMSI once, the location, nature of the distress, the kind of assistance desired, number of people on board or POB, and any other information which might facilitate a rescue, and the word over. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is boomer, boomer, boomer. MMSI 5037340. Mayday, boomer, MMSI 5037340. We are 7 nautical miles southeast of Cape Schanck. We are sinking after striking a submerged object. Require immediate assistance. 4 POB. We're a 12-metre yacht with white sails, deck and hull. Estimate a further 15 minutes afloat. No life raft on board. Over. Well, we'll give that a practice shortly, but hopefully you can see the parts of the message, the order and the pro words to use. So let's remind ourselves of the Mayday procedure. It has 2 parts, the distress call and the distress message. We say Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. Then our vessel name times 3 and our MMSI once. Then Mayday, our vessel name and MMSI once. Then the next most important thing is our location, and then we can go on and explain the nature of our distress, the kind of assistance desired, the number of POB, and any other information which may facilitate a rescue, followed by over. Well, you ready? Repeat each line after me. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is boomer, boomer, boomer. MMSI 503037340. Mayday, boomer, MMSI 503037340. We are 7 nautical miles southeast of Cape Schanck. We are sinking after striking a submerged object. Request immediate assistance. 4 POB. 12-metre yacht with white sails, deck and hull. Estimate a further 15 minutes afloat. No life raft on board. Over. Well, now I'm going to provide you with a scenario on the screen, and you'll need to make the call. If you're not confident to try that yet, then rewind and repeat the previous exercise until you're ready. So you're a skipper of the 10-metre yacht Nightmare with its MMSI and 4 people on board, including yourself. You're returning to Melbourne from Wilson's Promontory and you're about 7 nautical miles off the coast at this lat and long. You've just hit a submerged object and you're taking on water. Your crew are pumping it out and trying to stuff the hole, but you are concerned that you might sink in the next hour. Everyone's wearing PFDs, that's life jackets, but you don't have a life raft. So, how will you make the call? Pause the video in a moment, compose the message in your head, and then practice making the call a couple of times. You might even like to use your phone like it's a microphone or record it on your phone. You ready? We'll pause now and give it a go.